All right, we're out here in Golden Way. We're going to take a look at 805 Golden Way. This is a detached townhome built by Semler Construction. It is the K Alley floor plan, and it's not quite finished, but we've got cabinets and countertops, and so you can kind of get a feel for what that will look like. And you'll also get a feel for the space. So obviously the kitchen, dining room, and living room. We've got the recessed ceiling in the living room. Here is the mudroom off the garage and laundry with a big closet. And then this next room is actually a nice large walk-in pantry. And this would be the second bedroom. And the second bathroom, which is a full bath. And then the owner's suite. Again, you'll see a recessed ceiling in this room and an owner's bath and closet. So here's a closet. We got a transom window in there for some nice natural light. And bath, it's gonna be a 3/4. It's a nice large bathroom, as you can tell. Just got the tile down there. So this is out in Villages on the Rum in Isanti. Again, like I mentioned, detached townhomes. So no mowing, no shoveling, other than probably your nice little patio out here in front. Whiskey Road is out beyond the sidewalk. So feel free to come on out and check out the K Alley in the near future. It'll be further along, probably have electrical in, or lighting in, flooring, and we'll be good to go.